Hello there, and welcome back to the D25 web series. This is Michael Levy with the web team, and today I'm going to share a little bit about our part of the leadership page and how the division and area directors are set up. To begin, when you're in the leadership section of the website, you will then have our different menus of the different leadership areas. One, you'll have senior leadership, then district staff, and then down here, view division and area directors. If we click on that box, we will then go in and it will take us to the division matrix. Now, the division matrix is a little bit helpful because it will showcase now the division directors of each of these divisions, and then it will drill further into the area directors. Now, just like you got here, this is just a sample of the leaders that we have on the page. If you by chance click on one of the divisions, say for instance Division D, we're going to click on Division D and it's going to take us to the division matrix for 2021 and 2022. So you get on here and then you will now see what we call the division matrix page. And on here you have at the top all the different divisions that are listed. Now these will adjust year by year, due to the amount of clubs that are in the district. But you will be able to go into each of these divisions and see all of the areas listed on one page, which is an improvement from the previous website because we had several different pages for these. Now you will be able to click on a tab and see each of all of the areas all right there underneath. So if, for instance, we go to Division A, it's going to switch over to the Division A section, and you will then have all of the areas listed below with their area directors. This will be very common all the way across the division matrix. So again, when you click on Division A, you will then be able to see all of the areas that is part of that division. Same thing again with Division B and Division C. You'll be able to have the areas listed with their area directors and email addresses as well. So as you can see, this is just another good way to be able to see each of the clubs and also get a name and a face together with the area directors and divisions. But again, we will have these all the way through here, and that'll allow you to be able to segment those. We're also working on a way where you'll be able to have a page to see all divisions and a list of all of the area directors and division directors from this current year in a list format. Again, this is just a quick sample of the division matrix and how this will be broken up with division directors and area directors all together. Again, thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much.